In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide multiple sheets at once in Excel. This is really useful when you're working with a workbook that has a lot of tabs, and you only want to keep a few of them visible for yourself or for someone you're sharing the file with. Let's start by looking at the bottom of your Excel window. You'll see all your sheet tabs lined up, like Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and so on. Normally, you might right-click a single sheet and choose Hide, but that becomes annoying if you need to hide many sheets one by one. Instead, we're going to select several sheets together, and then hide them all in a single action. First, decide which sheets you want to hide. Click on the first sheet tab you want to hide to select it. Now, if the other sheets you want to hide are next to it, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard. Then click the last sheet in that range. Excel will select everything between the first and last tab you clicked. You'll know they're selected because all those tabs will be highlighted. If the sheets you want to hide are not next to each other, you'll use a slightly different method. Click the first sheet you want to hide, then hold down the Control key instead. While holding Control, click on each additional sheet tab you want to include. Each one you click will be added to the selection, and again, you'll see them all highlighted. Once you've selected all the sheets you want to hide, right-click on any one of those highlighted tabs. In the menu that appears, click on Hide. Instantly, all the selected sheets will disappear from the tab row at the bottom. They're not deleted, they're just hidden from view, which helps keep your workbook clean and focused. If you want to bring any of those sheets back later, right-click any visible sheet tab and choose Unhide. A box will pop up showing a list of all hidden sheets. Click the one you want to restore, then click OK. You can repeat that to unhide additional sheets. That's all there is to it. By using Shift or Control to select multiple sheet tabs before hiding them, you can manage large workbooks much more efficiently and keep attention on just the sheets that matter most.